Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Kaizer Chiefs coach Fernando da Cruz has arrived in South Africa to start work at Naturena on Thursday, the 2nd of July 2026. The Frenchman was announced as the new head coach 2 weeks ago, and now he has officially arrived at the club to kickstart pre-season for the 2026-27 campaign. Da Cruz worked as a technical director for the Moroccan federations over the past 2 years and will now join the rest of the new technical team who started pre-season with the squad 2 weeks ago. Here is what Fernando da Cruz said after he arrived at Chiefs. "I'm very happy to be here. The club has always held a special place in my heart, and I've kept a close eye on its journey over the past 2 years. Kaizer Chiefs is a massive institution with passionate fans and a proud history. My focus is on building a strong connection with the player, instilling a winning mentality, and working together to achieve the success our fans deserve. The journey ahead will demand hard work and unity, but I am confident that we will rise to the challenge." Those are the words of Fernando da Cruz. Remember, da Cruz was originally part of coach Nasreddine Nabi's technical team and was set to work as his assistant coach, but he left before the season could begin to take a role in the Moroccan Federation in 2024. And now here he has returned at Kaizer Chiefs as the head coach. So now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Fernando da Cruz arriving at Kaizer Chiefs? And in other news, Kaizer Chiefs have secured the signing of Khanyisa Mayo on a permanent deal from CR Belouizdad after he spent last season on loan at Naturena. Mayo didn't have a good season at Amakhosi last season, where he was sidelined most of the time due to injuries. And when he received game time, he didn't showcase his goal-scoring attributes. The 27-year-old played just over 600 minutes and scored 2 goals out of 15 appearances, in which 7 were starts and 8 were appearances that he came as a substitute. The former Cape City striker is familiar with the league, having finished the 2022-23 season as a top goal scorer with 12 goals. And he scored 10 goals in the following season before he went to Belouizdad. Overall in the Premier Soccer League, he has scored 28 goals in 88 appearances. And it seemed like Khanyisa Mayo wouldn't return at Kaizer Chiefs. However, Kaizer Chiefs have activated his purchase clause with a fee in the region of 600,000 euros, which is equivalent to 9.8 million rand. So do you think that Kaizer Chiefs paid this kind of a transfer fee for Khanyisa Mayo after a slow start last season? Do you think that these figures are true? Let me hear your thoughts. But it seemed like even though he had a difficult debut campaign at Kaizer Chiefs, Amakhosi, they believe that Khanyisa Mayo will revive his career and justify the club's confidence under new head coach Fernando da Cruz. Now let me hear your thoughts. Do you think that this is a good move by Kaizer Chiefs and also by Khanyisa Mayo to stay with the Amakhosi? Let me hear your thoughts. And remember, Khanyisa Mayo didn't want to return to Algeria, where he also struggled. So maybe this is a good move for him to stay here and try to revive his career. He is one of the most promising forwards in the country. So let me hear your thoughts down below. Are you impressed with this signing? That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.